So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on the Hardware tab, and then you want to click on Device Installation Settings. And now you want to set this to No. So click on No, and then click on Save Changes, and click on OK. And now for the second method, if you're using Windows Pro or Enterprise, then you want to head over to search and type in Edit Group Policy. Click on it. Now I'm going to expand this. And now under Computer Configuration, you want to expand Administrator Templates. And then you want to expand Windows Components. And then you want to scroll down and expand Windows Update. Expand Windows Update. And then you want to click on Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. Click on this, and now this will appear on the right side. And now you want to click on Do Not Include Drivers of Windows Updates. You want to double click on this, and then set this to Enabled. And then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.